Every day, thousands of people lose their life savings to scam investment apps and platforms. I'm here to show you how I invest safely and earn steady profit using PiggyVest. Here is the shocker. You don't need millions to start investing. A lot of persons have this belief that for you to start investing, you need to have up to 50,000 naira, 100,000 naira, or even 1 million to get started with investment. No. The truth is, in PiggyVest, you can actually start investing with as low as 1,000 naira, 5,000 naira, and you watch your money grow. And you can get interest rate as high as 20 to 22% on PiggyVest. Before we dive into this, let me educate you a little about how to know scam investment platforms and how to avoid them. Let me tell you how most people get trapped. It starts with a friend or a social media advert. They promise you 50% profit in just 1 week. Some even promise you 100%. Try with a small amount of money. It works. Get your money back with interest. It works. Next thing is that you begin to trust them. Remember, you've tried with a small amount of money to see if they are going to pay you. Yes, they are going to pay you, especially when you start early with them. Now that you're beginning to trust them because they paid you the first time, then go ahead to put in bigger money. 50,000, 100,000. Some people even put as high as 1 million in scam investment platforms. And some go ahead and put in their house rent money. Some students go ahead and put in their school fee. And then one morning you wake up, the app is gone. The site is down. Nobody is replying your messages anymore. That is how Ponzi schemes and fake investment platform works. That is how they operate. They simply use your money and the money of new investors to pay you, and you're happy. You feel like you're making money, especially if you're the one referring people to the platform. Those referring people to the platform keep on making their money while you keep on losing money. And a lot of people fall to this trap because they have unusually high return of investment and a lot of bonuses for those that are introducing people to them. And then the circle continues. They call it short-form investment, long-form investment. They keep on paying you with the money of new people until they get to a time that money is no longer coming in, or until they hit their budget to get scammed, the platform crashes and your money is gone, your life savings are gone. Now, here are the signs you should run away from. Number one is unrealistic returns. 20%, 30%, 50% in days or week. A real investment platform or app will never give you 20, 30, 50% in just a week or few days. Another thing you should actually look out for in a platform that says it's an investment platform and run away is that they focus more on the referral based instead of the real business model. No official registration or regulation, no physical company or office details. They suddenly appear and disappear at any time. To see a platform that looks like this, please do not risk your money. I've been using PiggyVest for over a long time now, and this is what I have to say about it. PiggyVest is the opposite of these scam apps. It is a registered digital savings and investment platform. It is regulated by the Nigerian SCE. They don't promise unrealistic profits. Instead, they give you safe savings options, real investments, and interest rates that beat your traditional bank. And the best part, you control how you save and invest your money. And you can even start small. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 5,000 is enough to begin. By looking at long-term goal, instead of using that 5,000 naira that is lying in your bank account and your bank is removing interest from it every time and the money is reducing, instead of leaving it there to wallow or you just spend it anyhow, why not download the Piggy Bank app and then put it there and watch it add interest for you? I'm going to quickly take you through the Piggy Bank savings options. So we have the Piggy Bank, which is the first option. Now, this is your main savings wallet. You can set it for daily, weekly, or monthly, and it's going to be an automatic savings, meaning that a certain amount of money can be deducted from your bank every week, every month, or daily. I started with Piggy Bank in 2021, and when I started, I made sure that 2,000 naira is taken from my account every day. Yeah, so imagine 2,000 naira being deducted from my account every day. Imagine how much that's going to accumulate in the long run. And the beautiful part of this Piggy Bank aspect of PiggyVest is that you can actually withdraw your money anytime, but then they're going to take away a certain percentage of money when you withdraw it at a time you're not supposed to withdraw it. So obviously it's also a flexible option because you can actually reach your money anytime, unlike the other options I'm going to discuss in this video, which you cannot break it until the needed time. The interest is about 8% every year. And like I said, it is great for general savings. Number 2 is the safe lock aspect of PiggyVest. Now, think of this like a fixed deposit. You simply lock your money for a safe period of time in this aspect, from days to months, and earn up to 13% per year. You cannot touch this one until the end date. This is simply perfect if you want to save towards big goals, like you want to use it to pay for your house rent, you want to use it to pay for your school fees, things that you can actually pay for monthly to yearly. So you just set it for a specific period of time for you to actually cover up your debt or anything you want to pay for. So this simply means that with PiggyVest, you don't need to start looking for how to pay your house rent, pay your kids' school fees, or even get your dream car or your dream house. All you need to do is to simply lock up this fund. Just put it there on your target savings and watch it grow. Now, the third one is the target savings. This simply helps you to save for a specific goal. Yeah, for travel, for gadgets, for your business capital. You want to start a business and you can actually save towards that through your target savings. All you simply need to do is to set the target amount and date. PiggyVest simply help you to actualize that. Another part of PiggyVest is the Flex Bank. Just like the name sounds, it is a flex bank and you can easily withdraw it at any time, especially in cases of emergency. You want to use money for something, you can actually withdraw it easily. So this simply makes it possible for you to get rid of your funds easily without you saving, and it looks as if you're suffering. Now, despite the fact that you can actually withdraw this flexible wallet at any time, you can also get interest from it. This is just simply designed for the cases of emergency, and we pray you don't have emergency, because of course, if there's no emergency, the money is still going to be there and you are going to still be getting interest from it. And then another beautiful part of PiggyVest is the Flex Dollar Wallet. Here you save in dollars to protect your money from Naira inflation. And this is actually useful if you plan to travel, shop internationally, or simply pay for online services. I'm simply going to walk you through the process, step-by-step process on how you can actually get started with your investment on PiggyVest. Now, if you check inside the PiggyVest, you're going to see Investify. This is simply a section with vetted investments, a section with vested investment opportunities like agriculture, real estate, and even transportation. Like I've always said, you don't need big money. Some investments start from as low as 5,000, and the return is going to vary depending on the project, usually between 10% and 25% per annum. Here's how I personally use PiggyVest. I put all my big money important savings into safe lock so I don't have to touch them at all, or to prevent the temptation of having to touch them at all. I keep my emergency money in Flex Wallet for easy access. I invest small amount of money to find projects to grow my income. And remember, I did not start with millions, and over time it grew. Before we continue this video, I want to give a very strong disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. This video is simply for educational purpose and me simply sharing my personal experience using the PiggyVest bank. You need to understand that all investments carry certain level of risk, and that includes these PiggyVest investments. Returns are not always guaranteed. Ensure you always do your own research, and please remember to invest any amount you can afford to risk. If an app promises high return of investment within a short period of time, be very careful. My goal in this video is to help you make safer choices, not to replace your mental judgments. And here's why you should start now with PiggyVest. You simply don't need to wait till you have huge amount of money. Starting with 5,000 helps you to build the habit of savings and investments. It makes you realize that your money can actually work for you without it staying idle in your bank account and your bank is taking away all the money gradually. The earlier you start, the more you save, the more you will invest, and the more secure your financial future will be. So here's the next step. Download the PiggyVest app on your Play Store or on your Apple Store. Set up a savings plan and commit to putting something inside, no matter how small. In 6 months' time, you will look back and be amazed at how much you've been able to accumulate for yourself. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more tips. Give this video a thumbs up and share this video so the YouTube algorithm is going to say that value is packed here and also transfer it to more people. Let's save smart, invest wisely, and protect our hard-earned money together.